lovelies, it's Jen here and Brighton, and we got our Farm Fresh to You box. It's Wednesday, so we're gonna unbox it and see what we got. Right, Brighton? Yeah. So let's see what we got. These are the eggs we got this week from Farm Fresh to You. And I'm filming them before we open the box, so that hopefully they don't turn into bouncing balls for the baby. Box today. What came in our box? What's in the box today? What's in the box? I don't know. Shall we see? Let's see what's in here. What's that? Whoa, that's pretty heavy. What's that? What is it? Wow. Yeah. It's as big as you. Ah, it's too heavy for you to hold. What is that? Tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle. What came in the box today? What came in the box? I think that is a giant leek, right? Yeah, that's a King Richard's leek. Wow, according to the invoice. Look how big that is. You got it. Did you find that? Good job. Shall we see what else came in our box today? No, you're still happy with the leeks? Yeah. Wow. That's pretty big. Yeah. I wouldn't lick it. All right, let's see what else is in here. What's that? What's that? Carrots. Can you say carrots? When you can pull out carrots. Carrots. Did we get some carrots in our Farm Fresh box? Yeah, yummy carrots. Oh boy. Did we get carrots? Say carrots. Yeah, carrots. What else is in here, baby? You still happy with the carrot? Yeah, is that carrot? Carrot. Carrot. What's this? What's that? Is it our potatoes? Oh, did we get potatoes today? We got a whole bag of little mini brown potatoes. But that's not as exciting as the giant king leek. Woo! Did we get a giant leeks? Oh boy, and carrots. What else is in here, baby? There's more. There's a peach. Yeah. And yeah. What else did we get, Brighton? Look here. Oh, look, look, look. A nectarine. Oh, yeah. And another peach. Everything's going to mouth. You're hungry. Another peach. We got to film faster. Peach. You like the nectarine better. And another nectarine. 2 nectarines and 2 peaches.
He loved the food.
Did you get nectarine? Are you going to eat the nectarine? Ah, where'd they go? Nectarines and peaches. Yay. And there's still something in here, baby. What did we get here? Blueberries. Can you say blueberry? Do those look good? Blueberries. What's in there? Is that blueberries? Blueberries. Is there one more thing in the box? What'd you find? Can you get it? Last thing for this week. What is it? Onion. 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 Does it smell oniony? Does it smell oniony? Does it smell oniony? Onion. That's a pretty big onion, too. Onion. Yeah. Thank you for helping me unbox the box today, baby. Good job. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, YouTube. Bye-bye. Good job. Say bye-bye. Good job.